Hello and welcome back to section 15. In this video we'll be going over example 4. Example 4 asks us to take a already drawn signal and convert it into a signal function. So I've rewritten it here. So we want to express the signal below as a signal function. So to get started, so we can assume, doesn't show it, but you can assume that it is 0 before this. So this first chunk, so basically when you solve these, this is a voltage. So we're going to be finding some V of t equal to stuff. So this first piece is a ramp function. Hopefully you see that. So it is a rise of 10, a run of 2, and it is a ramp function and it starts at 0. So it's t minus 0 or just r of t. And then there's going to be some more stuff that happens here. So 5r of t plus some additional stuff. So what we need to happen now, so we've basically captured this much of the signal. Now if it keeps going, it's going to want to come up here. And so we need to jump down or turn off the ramp function. So whenever you see a big jump like this, this is a step function. So we're going to go down 2, and that's u of t, and this happens at 2 seconds, so u of t minus 2. So we're going to jump down 2 volts. So not 2. It's not 2, it's 10. So we're going to jump down 10, so negative 10 u of t minus 2. So we can update this 5r of t minus 10 u of t minus 2. And there's another piece we have to add. So that gets us here. And if you don't continue on, you'll be in good shape. But what's going to happen now is that as I go forward, it's not going to stay at 0. The ramp function, and you can model this, is going to take us back up at a slope of 5. So we need to turn that ramp function off. So to turn that ramp function off, it's the same thing as we did with the step functions. We're going to subtract an equal magnitude. So in this case, we're going to subtract a ramp function that has a slope of 5. And what that'll do is they'll cancel each other out. So we have 5r of t minus 10 u of t minus 2. And then we need to subtract a 5r t. But we don't want this one to start at 0, we want this one to start at 2. So t minus 2 on that one. And so this would be your function. And I believe the answer, so normally when I do these, I turn the ramp function off first so that you get a behavior where it's flat and then whenever you jump. So I generally turn them off before jumping, but it doesn't really matter. So the answer is going to be 5rt minus 5r t minus 2. It makes it more apparent that we have a ramp function, then we turn that ramp function off, and then we jump down 10 u of t minus 2. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.